So just another area under the curve question, again calculator free, but this one is a little bit trickier and you need to use your knowledge of trigonometry and sine and cosine graphs to work this one out. So to calculate the area under the curve of y equals 3 cos of x on 4 between 0 and x equals 2 pi on 3. So how we need to do that to start, we need to integrate this. So I'm just going to set up my integral function of a equals my upper limit 2 pi on 3 and 0 of 3 cos x on 4. Now if we remember how to integrate this, we want this to be in the function of f prime of x, then your sine or cosine of f of x. So we want the derivative of this to be out the front, so we need to look at the derivative of x on 4. Now derivative of x on 4 is 1/4, because that's like saying 1/4 of x, cos x on 4 dx. Now we don't have 1/4, we have 3, so what do I need to multiply 1/4 by to get to 3? I need to multiply it by 12. So then that's going to become 12. The integral of cosine is sine x on 4 between my two limits. Now I need to substitute these values in to my two equations. Now we know that the sine of 0 is just going to be 0, so we can pretty much just ignore that bit then for now. Now 2 pi on 3 divided by 4, I'm just going to do a little calculation over here. This is like saying 2 pi on 3 divided by 4 on 1, so we can say that that is actually the same as 2 pi on 3 times by 1/4, which is going to give me 2 pi on 12, which is actually equal to pi on 6. Just some basic fraction rules to remember, multiplying and dividing fractions, alright, in your non-calculator. So now that I've calculated that, there's going to become 12 sine of pi on 6. Now hopefully we should know that the sine of pi on 6 is equal to 1/2. Again, some knowledge of your algebraic, your trigonometry rules. So this is like saying 12 times by 0.5, 6 units squared is our final answer.